Oh my god, this is straight out of the package. Rip me out the package, bitch. This is okay. So Wiggins sent me over this wig and it's supposed to be straight out the box. I don't have to do nothing to it, like nothing. So this is lazy girl friendly, beginner wig friendly. I promise you literally should just like throw it on your head. I'm about to unbox it. There's the wig. 24 medium cap size. That's what that says. This is me unboxing. This is how it came to me. We have this little Wiggins, you know what that is. A brush, some lashes, some HD wig caps. Love these, love these. Wiggins hair bag, cute. And then the band. Okay, look at this. It is so, Wiggins wigs are so just sturdy. I love their wigs. It comes with an elastic band. It's adjustable. See that? The clip and the Wiggins tag. I love that. Look at the hairline. This is straight out of the package. Look at that. Ooh. Man, you can't. Where's the lace? Can you tell? Look at it, straight out the pack. Now it comes curled. Oh my god, this is straight out of the package. Rip me out the package, bitch. This is okay. So yeah. What? I haven't even cut the lace. So this is the lace. This is the hair. It's a little white, so I'm going to add some makeup. Make that invisible. Oh, there we go. Wow. Comb these curls out. Wow, it's so pretty. They're so bouncy and flowy. Look at his hair. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Straight out the box like this is crazy. Yeah, very cute. Honey, I'm ready to go outside, okay? This is, excuse my arm. I just got birth control put in a few days ago. And so this was the surgical tape. Not that that matters. Anywho, and where did the lace go, y'all? Mind you, this is no glue. Look at that. No glue. No plucking. Straight out the box. No glue, no plucking, no bleaching, no styling, no curling, just straight out the box, eating. So I'm just going to like mine to have like a little bump right there, so that's all I'm doing. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in a little heavier with my layers because I love a layer. I love a good layer. Yeah. This is so cute. And of course I'm not gonna do baby hairs because what? This is so perfect. Look at these curls, y'all. And I did not do a thing. And This is a long 24 too. I like don't have any words. I'm just about to put in a little bio silk. Look at this. Straight out the mother. But a little too much, but it's okay. This hair quality is so thick and long, y'all. 24. I'm 5'4", and it's like, I should put on a white shirt. Anywho's, this is so perfect. Look at this wig, y'all. That literally took me 10 minutes. If that, like, wow. Wow, look at the hairline. No plucking necessary. Like, no, nothing necessary. Y'all saw me open it straight out the box. This is the best wig ever. This is hands down the easiest. Wow, I'm blown away. Thank you, Wiggins. Thank you so much. Let me see. This is called their 24-inch wear and go. And baby, it is really a wear and go. Put it on and go. I can't believe it came curled like that. And the curls were clearly. Okay. 24-inch wear and go body wave 7x4 closure lace wig. Period. Look at this. Y'all, perfect. Just fucking perfect. 8 down. Thank you so much, Wiggins Hair Company. It's always a pleasure. Your hair quality is always amazing, on point. It's so thick, so full, all the way to the ends. Like, you guys are just innovative. Just always giving the girls what they want, because baby, this is what I want. I'm ready to go now, okay? Literally ready to go. I did my hair in 2 seconds. I'll just keep touching it, playing with it. Okay, y'all. Thank you so much, Wiggins. Thank you for watching. Y'all really need to go get this wig. If I have said anything else about any other wig, really get this one. Get this wig. You'll love it. I cannot even. I can't even. This is crazy. Yeah, look at this. This is, I just can't believe straight off the pack, this is the best I've ever done my hair. Go get this wig. Stop playing with me.